Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually make any of your vehicle's front logo have a full light in there to like make it colorful at night. So today we're going to be doing this on this 2019 Cadillac XTS, and then this logo is by LEDlogos.com. I will leave the link down below. They basically make this for every type of vehicle. So to get started, we're going to remove this plastic cover over here. We do have some hex nuts right over here on the top. And most of them are just those push pins in here. So once those come off, we should have clear access to our logo. So we're going to start unscrewing these. So after we remove all of this, and this just snaps open just like this. There you go, comes off. So of course, this is our LED one blacked out, really nice. And here we can actually see the clips inside of our old ones over there, over the white piece in there. So I'm going to press on this. And this, then we can just pull this one out, put the new one in. It should look really good. Okay guys, we're all done with installation. To power this over here, the included cable comes over here. We just ran on the top because of course this is going to be covered by that cover. It goes beneath here, all the way here. And then you just find a fuse, and it has a really good connection point. So you just take out a fuse, put it in. And we decided to connect with this with an inner sunshade fuse. And the cool part about it is that that fuse always has current when the vehicle is in ignition. So once the vehicle is turned on, it will automatically turn on. And then we just grounded the cable right over here. Okay guys, so all done with the installation. Everything is good to go. And once again, I will leave the link down below for this. Please go check it out. Not only do they make these logos for every vehicle, they also make puddle lamps. So once you open the door, it literally says Cadillac at the bottom of the door. So this is really good. I will leave the link down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.